Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection obviously, and let's enter the Play Store. Now we normally should tap on this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner, but as you can see after tapping on it, we've got the information that actually everything was moved to our account, to our circle, let's say. So just tap on the circle, which is simply your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of apps. After tapping on updates available, you can see how many apps you can actually update. And as you can see, in my case, it is only 1 app. So if you want to update the app, just mark it like here. Of course, if you will have plenty of them, then you will be able to mark all of them, for example, and just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, the device will download the update and then it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually you do not need to do anything right now. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.